Have your parents told you that it's time to get a job, or maybe you simply want to be able to start making your own money, but you aren't thrilled about the prospect of flipping burgers or bagging groceries? Forget about those typical teen jobs. You know your way around a computer and a smartphone. There's no reason you shouldn't learn how to make money online as a teen. If you're like many teenagers, you probably spend several hours online, either on a computer or a smartphone. What are you doing? Watching videos, taking surveys, surfing social media, listening to music? You can do all of these things and get paid for them if you sign up for various sites. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we'll be looking at how to make money online as a teen in 2022. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a site that allows you to earn gift cards and cash by taking surveys, shopping, watching videos, and so on. You need to be 13 years old to sign up. Check out other ways for how to make money as a 13-year-old. The way it works is that you use the Swagbucks search engine to go about whatever you were going to be doing anyway. You rack up points, which can be exchanged for gift cards or money in your PayPal account. To earn more points, you can take surveys or watch videos on the site. Ibotta. Ibotta allows you to purchase from different places and you earn cash back. It's literally like buying everything at a discount, but they pay you to buy their stuff. Ibotta works with an enormous number of online retailers and apps: Uber, Samsung, Apple, Home Depot, Under Armour, Olive Garden, Fossil, and more. You name it, you can make money shopping there with Ibotta. My Survey and Harris Poll. If you're at least 16, you might like to take paid surveys in your spare time. While many survey sites are open only to those who are 18 plus, My Survey is one that accepts those over the age of 16 to take their online surveys, and Harris Poll allows teens over the age of 13 to participate. Similar to Swagbucks, these survey sites work by awarding points for each survey taken. Exchange these for gift cards, vouchers, cash, and more. In order to qualify to take a particular survey, you'll need to answer a few questions to be sure you're in the correct demographic for the customer's needs. Being honest, you will qualify for some and not qualify for others. The payments work out to between 50 cents and $1.25 for most surveys, so you're not going to get rich, but it's a decent way to earn money online. Music X-Ray. If you like discovering new bands, Music X-Ray might be right up your alley. Those looking for ideas on how to make money online as a teen will be glad to know that Music X-Ray sends new music to your inbox and you get paid a few cents to listen to the songs. That's it. You might be wondering what the catch is, but there is none. After 30 seconds, you can skip a song if you don't like it and still receive compensation. If you do like the song though, the company's assumption is that you'll share it with your friends and maybe even support the artist. It's a win-win for everyone. YouTube videos. When it comes to money-making opportunities on YouTube, the cliche is, of course, the video game streamer. If you're a gamer, you're probably familiar with PewDiePie, the Swedish YouTuber who features various video games. While gamers are popular on YouTube, and even more so on Twitch, there are a lot of them, so if that's your art form, you're gonna need to be competitive. Consider thinking about other ways of making money on YouTube. Maddie Bragg is YouTube famous for her beauty and outfit of the week videos. Lucas and Marcus Dobre are twins who make challenge videos. You also might have heard of Charlie's Crafty Kitchen, which features an 8-year-old who makes $127,000 per month with her cooking and baking videos. Podcasts. If you have the gift of gab, but you'd rather not be on camera, it's possible to make money online by creating a podcast. One way you earn cash with a podcast is by attracting sponsors and being paid for running their ads. You could also direct listeners to your YouTube channel, your blog, your Etsy account, and so on. What should you talk about? Anything that's interesting to you will likely be interesting to other teenagers. You could talk about sports, games, romance tips, things you do with your family, how you're preparing for college. You could even talk about how to make side hustles for teens. Monetize blogs. If you like to write, putting together a blog is one way you could be making money online. Much like podcasting, one way to make extra money with blogs is by allowing ads on your site. Another is to use affiliate links to get people to buy products from various online stores. You'd receive a commission each time one of your readers makes a purchase through your link. Monetized blogs are one of our favorite methods of making money online. There are lots of ways to monetize blogs. You can run ads, offer affiliate products, or even sell your own stuff. Digital products. Could you see yourself writing personalized poems, sending out a list of ideas for a blog, or creating some type of other digital product? You can earn money online through a platform like Fiverr, which allows creators to charge $5 or more for a specific service or product. If you're a writer, you might even write an ebook to sell on Amazon for Kindle. This is of course a long-range project, but you could earn passive income in the form of royalties for months or even years after you publish your book. And if you like taking photographs, you could sell stock pictures through sites like Shutterstock and iStock Photo. This is another way that you can make royalties, so if you upload a lot of photos, you can see a nice income trickling in each month. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned!